Welcome back to a brand new vlog of Bonkers. And today we are in Old Delhi. This is the street scene of Old Delhi. We are just opposite to the Jama Masjid and we are going to do the best we do, eat our heart out. Let's go in and check out and let's eat some delicious not Delhi food. This is Utsav with my wife Urvi on a brand new vlog of Bonkers Note. This episode is dedicated about Old Delhi food and we are going to eat our heart out today, right Urvi?
Yeah, it's crazy out here and hopefully we get to go where we want to go and have some amazingly delicious food.
So let's check it out.
You can see the craziness bustling behind me. It's lots of crowd, lots of food and lots of things to do. Let's go and explore Old Delhi.
We are in the heart of Old Delhi. We are in this busy old street. We are going to have some delicious Old Delhi style food. First up we'll have some chicken starter, then we'll go for the butter chicken. It is very famous in here, and definitely we're going to have some sweet dish, some special sweet dish to end our lunch activity in Old Delhi. We will start our food vlog in Old Delhi from Aslam's Chicken. We will go in and have their famous butter chicken along with some Romali roll. Let's check it out.
Right in front of Aslam's Chicken, we could see two persons very enthusiastically roasting some pieces of nice chicken. And we are so excited to try it. Let's go inside and taste some of them. The butter chicken is right in front of us and we could see it's oozing with so much butter. Let's dig in.
So we are here in Aslam's Chicken and we have ordered a butter chicken along with some Rumali roti. I'll just get started with this. Look at that Rumali roti, it's so soft and delicate. Now let me take some of it and dip it in the clarified butter of the butter chicken. The butter chicken has been prepared well with some cream and clarified butter. Along with it we have some Rumali roti. Both the chicken and the Rumali roti are so soft. The butter chicken is really very tasty. You need to make this trip and have that butter chicken along with that Rumali roti. This butter chicken has been specially prepared with those chicken kebabs that were roasting on the charcoal grill. It has that charcoaly flavor along with the clarified butter. The chicken is extremely soft and this is a must-have here.
Our stomach was so full from the butter chicken, and right across the street in this Delhi heat we spotted the person selling some amazingly cool drink and he was calling it harbat-E-Mohabbat.
Right now we are standing at a random juice point and we are having harbat-E-Mohabbat. It literally translates to the juice of love or the drink of love, if I may rectify myself. There are lots of ice, milk definitely, very light, and lots of watermelon chopped in pieces. This is a great, cool, refreshing drink.
Once we cooled down a bit after that refreshing harbat-E-Mohabbat, we walked along the streets of Old Delhi and spotted Haji Muhammad. And it was our next stop to try some Old Delhi style fried chicken.
Right now we are standing in front of Haji Muhammad to have fried chicken Old Delhi style. I have heard that this is better than KFC or any branded fried chicken in India. Let's go in and check it out. Freshly cut chicken are being marinated here with lots of lemon and salt, and then they are dipped in a batter mixed with some special masalas and deep fried and fried till they turn golden brown, and they are kept aside until a customer orders it. Before serving, they take this fried chicken, cut it into pieces, again deep fry it till the outer turns more crispy and the chicken inside is so juicy. And finally, that extra special masala is sprinkled again on top of it to add more flavor, and they serve it with some special sauce and onion. We are right now at the Jama Masjid at Haji Muhammad's chicken place. We are here for the deep fried, or if I may say double deep fried chicken. These chickens are very famous and they are known as the KFC of Old Delhi. I'll try it and see how good it is. Just look at that deep fried piece. It's so hot that I can barely hold it. They've given a huge quantity of chicken. Almost a half chicken has been chopped into bite-sized pieces. These are wonderfully crispy and addictive form of chicken. They have been fried so crunchily, so crispily that juicy meat is intact with those crispy outer coating. I can have this all day long, all my life, and I will not complain. And they have given some masala sprinkled on top of it, making it even more flavorful. It's very hot, it's very freshly prepared, and they have given a huge quantity of the half chicken plate.
Now just we wanted to try some desserts and we spotted Cool Point right opposite on the street. They had a lot of sweet options and we went for Shahi Tukra.
I am standing right now in front of the Cool Point. They are serving authentic sweets since 1980. And they are very famous in this area and in Delhi in general. And today we are going to have some Shahi Tukra from here.
We got a plate of the Shahi Tukra and it is topped up with some rabdi. I'm so tempted to try this thick creamy dessert.
So we are going to end this lively food tour in a royal way, and we are going to have this Shahi Tukra. They have topped it up with some rabdi and between the crispy sweet inside, making it soft and very rich and thick. Very sweet. It almost tastes like a malpua. If you have tasted that before, you will know how it tastes. It's a hot sweet. It's all very good. It's a great way to end our Old Delhi food blog.
The Shahi Tukra is made out of bread and is so yummy. It's soft and it tastes very nice. It's a sweet savior and it sprinkles with lots of dry fruits. So it makes a great combination.
So we are just moving out of Old Delhi and we have had a rickshaw. And this is a great way to get around the city. By the way, we had a great time eating those foods, and if you like what you see, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note. And on that happy note, we are going to end today's vlog. And as always, we are ready to go bonkers with you in the next one.